Landlords, you do not have the right to inspect the property of your tenant without giving them proper notice. And in fact, when we talk about this right of inspection as a landlord, some of you come to inspect the property. Yes, now you've given due notice, you now inspect the parlor, you inspect the kitchen, then you want to inspect the person's bedroom. There should be a limit to what you do. There should be a limit. So it's not because you have a right of inspection that you want to intrude into people's privacy. What the law expects you to do is to check the common areas, of the property to see if there are damages to that property, and not for you to now begin to enter into their master bedroom. Now, Section 6, of the Lagos State Tenancy Law that talks about quiet possession. Quiet possession and peaceful enjoyment of the property. That is, that a tenant is entitled to to enjoy the property and to have quiet possession of that property. Now, if you look at sub C of that section, they said that exclusive possession of the premises subject to the landlord's restricted right of inspection. Now, when it says subject to the landlord's right, so it means that the law still acknowledge the fact that the landlord has a right for inspection. But you see, that right for inspection should be after the landlord has given the tenant due notice. If you're a landlord and you choose to exercise your right for inspection without giving your tenant due notice, you will end up infringing on both their right, to privacy and also freedom from unreasonable disturbance. If they take you to court for that, you are going to pay millions in damages. So you just have to know this. And there are some landlords that once a tenant tells you that they want to leave the property, you now begin to bring people to inspect the property. I will treat that in the next video. Did you gain value from this video? Share with me in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a follow, like this video, share it to your friends so that they can learn from it. Thank you.